G'day everyone, it's Jill from the Genius blog. Today I'm here at Rootstech with Darrin Lythgoe, the developer of TNG, the next generation of genealogy
building.
Site building.
Yes.
I've been using Darrin's software for a couple of years and I absolutely love it. For an old granny like me, it's very easy to use. I just grab a GEDCOM file from my master database and upload it to TNG, and my information is on the web. It's been wonderful cousin bait. I've managed to make some really worthwhile connections by having my information out there. Now what's exciting for me is Darrin has released his next version here at the conference, and I'm wanting Darrin to tell us a bit about it.
Okay.
So Darrin, do you want to tell people firstly a bit about the software and then tell us about version 9?
Yeah, it's a web-based software, so it lives on your website. You upload the software, connect it to your database, and as you said, all you have to do is import a GEDCOM file after that. Although if you didn't have one, you could manually enter the data right there on your site. Make changes and they instantly become available on the internet right then. So for version 9, we've made a lot of improvements, especially in the style department. We've upgraded the look and feel, and added some nice rounded corners and shadows and the works to make it look more modern and up to date.
So in version 8, you've got a limited number of templates to choose from. Are there more templates?
There are. There are now 11. We've added 3 more, and we've got more in the works even. So the 3 that we've added look great, I think. We've added a new configuration screen for the templates so that it's easy now to change the pictures and the text or whatever that goes with that particular template. So it's a lot quicker to, you don't even have to know any HTML, but you pick a template, you can pick your own photographs and headlines, text to go with it right there.
Yeah. So someone asked me yesterday, do you need to know HTML? Because I was doing a sell job on your software. So that's really good news. I'll be able to go back and tell him.
It's a little bit like owning a car. You don't have to know how the gas engine works to drive it around. If you did, that would be great if you ever broke down or wanted to soup it up, but you don't have to do that.
And Darrin, for those people who may be a little bit nervous about having a website, the technical side of it, what sort of support is there?
You can always email me if you have a problem. I'm right there. My motto is I don't leave anyone behind. So if you have a problem getting this set up, just send me an email. There's also a wiki with a lot of information. There's a mailing list that's quite active, and there's a Facebook group. So there's a large community out there of other TNG users that would be happy to help you if you need it.
I noticed that your URL has changed for information about the product. Would you be able to slowly tell us what your new URL is or how to find you?
Well, both are still working. We used to have, my surname is Lythgoe, so it was lythgoes.com/blah blah blah blah. Now you can go to www.tngsitebuilding.com. That will also take you there. That's a little easier.
Yeah. And I find that the price is very competitive. How much is your product?
It's now $32.99 US for a new license.
Oh, that's good for Australians. Our dollar's very strong.
It is, yeah. So if you're upgrading from a previous version, then it'll only be $14.99 or so.
$14.99. And do you suggest that people work on the website or they upload GEDCOMs like I do?
Really, it's a matter of preference. For a while, I myself didn't use the administration. I used another product to manage my data, and then I uploaded the GEDCOM whenever I wanted to. But I find it's probably about a 50-50 split. A lot of people still like to use whatever desktop program they're using and make the changes there. Others find that it's easier to cut that cord, and then they don't have to do any more GEDCOM uploads. They just manage it all right there.
Yeah, I think I'm ready to cut the cord. Is there anything else you want to tell us your product? What have I missed? I'm a novice interviewer.
Well, some more new features that we got are in version 9. There's now easier geocoding.
Oh, good.
So we're using the newest Google Maps API.
Yeah.
And before, when you wanted to show an event on the map, you had to load the map and click the button where it was. Now we've got a utility that will process hundreds of them at a time.
Yeah, that was really time consuming and a bit clunky, so that's great to hear.
That's a lot easier. Also, citations are easier to make.
Yeah.
If you're making a citation and you haven't created the source yet, you can now create that source right at the same time you're citing. There's a copy last button, so if you're using the same source over and over again, copy the last citation, save you a little bit of typing. So a lot of new improvements.
Tell us a bit about the social networking side of things, because I'm really into social media.
Yeah, we've added some social networking buttons at the top of your page. We've made it kind of discreet, so there's just a little icon there that says share. You click the share and out pops some Facebook, Google+, Twitter icons that you can use to share the page that you're on.
So it takes a snapshot.
It will pop up a little window that says, here's what you're going to share on Facebook right now. Do you want to add a comment about it?
Okay.
So, and then once you say go, that goes on your Facebook wall.
So I could find a new cousin. If a new cousin found me on Facebook, I could then just share a URL of her grandfather with her.
Sure, that's right.
Access straight away to my site and that page. That's great. All right, I think I've exhausted my questions. I'm still a fan, and I'm really excited about moving on to version 9. So thanks for your time, Darrin.
Thank you.